Hey everyone, this is Stingray coming to you from San Antonio, and I wanted to show you a better video demonstrating adaptive cruise control. One of the things that I really enjoy about this vehicle is the adaptive cruise control feature, which right now is placing my car a safe distance behind a vehicle that was moving slower than the fast traffic in the fast lane. So with all that being said, I'm going to flip the camera around and show you when I begin to approach the next set of vehicles how the vehicle will start to slow down on its own. I know this is a lot of words and I'm leading up to it, and maybe it's overkill to talk about it, but adaptive cruise control, I think, should be incorporated into every vehicle that has cruise control capabilities, if for nothing else, the safety aspect that it brings when somebody is cruising along at, let's say, 70 miles an hour. So I'm going to turn the camera around. And you can see, probably, I'm not sure because I'm not able to see through the video here, you can see a car just moved over in front of me. And now I'm traveling at less than 70 miles an hour. I'm about 68 miles an hour, 67, 69. And I'm coming up on an exit, and there are 2 lanes of traffic in front of me. And basically, I've got this set up with 3 bars. And if you'll notice, I'm going to take the bars down by pushing this button down here to 1 bar. What it's going to do to adaptive cruise control is speed me along so that I'm a little bit closer to the vehicle in front of me. Again, I can't quite see what I'm recording. I'm just kind of aiming the phone in a general direction. And you can see that I've resumed 70, I'm at a 70 mile an hour clip on a 70 mile an hour road. And I'm fast approaching my exit, so I'm safely past the other vehicle. I'm going to begin to move over, signaling that I'm moving over. And I'm going to be in the upcoming exit lane for the road that I intend to exit on, the highway interchange. And as you can see, there are 2 vehicles in front of me that I'm approaching. They might be going, I don't know, I'm guessing about 63, 66, somewhere around there. So we're going to catch up to them probably about, unless this other car gets in front of me, that's passing me on my left. But we're probably going to catch up to this other vehicle right before the, well before the exit itself. And the car is already indicating that I've got a vehicle in front of me. It's already picked that up. I'm still cruising along at 70 miles an hour. The car in front of me has applied their brakes. I can feel my acceleration slowing down just marginally. Okay, the brake lights are being activated, and you can see suddenly, well, I tried to get it in 1 clip, but I hit a button while I was flipping the phone around to stick it on the phone holder. Again, I'm not really paying attention to any of the stuff on the phone. I'm just driving. And the heavy lifting, as far as maintaining distance between me and the car in front of me, I'm going to re-engage my 3 bars mode, so I'm a little bit further behind traffic at this speed. With all that being said, this system, I think, is at least a fail-safe to help prevent some accidents that would have happened if we didn't have this feature at all. I would go 1 step further. If I were the engineer for the system that is operating all of everything in this car, I would somehow integrate the GPS into the adaptive cruise control. Let's say you're on a road that has a 60 mile an hour speed limit, but somewhere in the road is an L curve. I mean, it's direct L curve. It's almost like a turn. You wouldn't know any different, but on this road, it's just an L curve. Maybe there's a lake or something that makes the road curve. As you're fast approaching something like that, there is no traffic in front of you, or if there is no traffic in front of you, to indicate that you're going to need to slow down significantly, an adaptive cruise control system could also theoretically slow your vehicle down before you get to that curve. It could even factor in the rate of the curve, whether the wipers were engaged. It could factor in so many things because, after all, we've got computers in these vehicles. It's just a matter of time before we add these functionalities to our daily lives for our driving entertainment pleasures. So I just wanted to show you the adaptive cruise control system. Right now I'm decelerating my vehicle. My 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee is decelerating, and I've got 58 miles an hour or so that I'm seeing on the speedometer. There's a truck in front of me. I could pass, I could get around. There's also merging traffic that's coming onto the ramp that I'm going to be exiting onto. So basically, I'm going to play it safe. I had all this time to contemplate all of this because my vehicle had the wherewithal to help place me safely and smoothly in the traffic that I'm grateful to be in while I'm headed home this afternoon to hopefully share this video with you. That way you can understand one of the other many reasons that I thoroughly enjoy this amazing vehicle. That's why I wrote a song about it. So if you're having a great time riding along with me, seeing what features I have in this vehicle and why I think they're worthy of your consideration for accident avoidance, at least to some degree, please click the like button and don't forget to subscribe. I will be continuing to bring you a variety of content, probably all surrounding the things that I absolutely enjoy fully, because if it brings me joy, I think it'll bring you joy. That's really all there is to it on this show. There's nothing, there's no catch. I'm not trying to sell you any amazing t-shirts or products or anything like that. I'm really just looking for your participation if you feel so inclined to do. So if you feel like responding, click on comments. If you don't, doesn't matter. But I really hope that you give it a thumbs up if you liked watching this video. And I think you did. That's why you're watching this still. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Peace, love, and all that old school stuff. And also, I enjoy this vehicle so much, I'm going to try to make a guitar associated with this lineup itself. So if you'd like to see that, click on the comments and ask me about it. We'll talk to you later.